So, how I feel about FIT? Well, I can say it's a love-hate relationship. FIT is the Fashion Institute of Technology. It's in New York City on 27th Street. Um, I would say I love my experience that I had there. I love the people that I met. Um, I love the times that I had, the places that I went, the things I learned. I really truly did and do. Um, However, what I hate is that I was misinformed financially. I was in over my head. I paid out of state tuition to go there, whereas my friends that were already from New York just paid you know, community school prices, and I paid out of state tuition. Um, Took out a lot of college loans. I was the first in my family to go to school, and FIT did not inform me. They didn't give me any information. I didn't really have that person in financial aid that I could talk to, and just made a lot of silly mistakes when it came to FIT. I really think if I could have done better, I probably wouldn't have went there because it was out of my price range. I couldn't afford it. But I have to say, I do love my experience there, and I loved what I learned. But in all honesty, y'all, and keeping it real with y'all, half the stuff I learned there now, you can learn on YouTube. You can. I mean, there's some stuff, you can learn at FIT. There's some connections you can make from being there. I will say that. You definitely can make some good connections. And I have friends for life from there. But again, I just think I would have thought if I was more informed and not so ignorant, and this is also probably due to myself. I was young, I was dumb, I just wanted to go to New York. But if I could do it all over again, I probably wouldn't have went to FIT just because I couldn't afford it. So that's my little piece on FIT. Stay tuned, y'all, because there's more to come. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And